Okay guys, working on 2009 Chevy Malibu 2.4. I got the codes p0016 and p0017, and I spent almost 2 days trying to see what's wrong with this car, and we check compressions, we check the timing chain that is good. We also check the actuators, and so as you can see here, I just put my engine on time, so everything is good. So right here on the back, right there, right there is my another mark for my timing. So I was like really it was a headache for me. So in the end, I find out that my problem was the tensioner is losing compression in the top. That is not supposed to do that. So my problem for this car is my timing chain tensioner. If you got these codes, the p0016 and p0017, could be the actuators, could be the timing chain, could be anything. But in my case, my timing chain tensioner is the one is damaged. To remove this one, I use a 32 socket. Yes, 32, and it's located here on the back. All right, so well, for me, the problem was the tensioner, and when you got those codes, could be the timing change, the timing guides, or maybe the water pump too. So it could be anything, but well, so in my case, it was the tensioner. Well guys, thank you very much, and I hope this video helped you to fix your Chevy Malibu. Thank you, and see you next time.